Hi everyone, in this video you are gonna see a conversation between doctor and patient. Good morning, how may I assist you today? Hi doctor, I have been experiencing some toothache, especially when I bite down on something. Oh, I see. Let's have a look. Have you noticed any swelling or sensitivity to hot or cold foods? Yes, there is some swelling and hot and cold foods seem to aggravate the pain. Alright, let's examine the affected tooth. You may have cavity or an infection. Okay, open your mouth, I'll check. Okay, open little bit wide, please. I see. It looks like there is a decay on this tooth. We will need x-ray to get a better view. Okay, whatever you think is best. Based on our finding, we need to perform a root canal treatment to save the tooth. I'll explain the procedure in detail before we proceed. Alright, I trust your expertise. Great. Let's schedule the x-ray and discuss the treatment plan further. And in the meantime, I'll prescribe some pain medication to help manage your discomfort. Okay? Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your help. You are welcome. We will make sure to get you feeling better soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this conversation. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.